Have you ever dreamed of owning your own business? What if you could sell products online without ever touching them? That's the magic of dropshipping. It's a simple way to start selling and make money online. Dropshipping is perfect for beginners. You don't need a warehouse full of products. It's a low-risk way to test business ideas. You can even work from anywhere in the world. Are you ready to become an entrepreneur? Let's explore the exciting world of dropshipping and see how you can start your own successful online business. Imagine this. A customer orders a cool phone case from your online store. They're excited, eagerly waiting for their new accessory to arrive. Here's the catch. You don't actually have that phone case in stock. Your warehouse is empty, and you don't have to worry about managing inventory. Instead, you pass the order to your supplier. With just a few clicks, you send the details to them. They package and ship the phone case directly to your customer. The entire process is seamless and efficient. That's dropshipping in a nutshell. It's a business model that allows you to sell products without ever handling them. You're the middleman connecting customers with products. Your role is crucial in ensuring a smooth transaction. You focus on marketing and customer service. Your job is to attract customers and keep them happy. Your supplier handles the rest. They take care of inventory, packaging, and shipping. This means less work for you and more time to grow your business. You can focus on scaling and expanding your reach. Dropshipping is a great option for new entrepreneurs. It's a low-risk way to start an online business. It's low cost and easy to start. You don't need a large upfront investment. You can test different products and find what sells best. This flexibility allows you to adapt to market trends quickly. Ready to learn more? Let's dive in. We'll explore the ins and outs of dropshipping, from finding reliable suppliers to marketing strategies that work. Choosing the right products to sell is crucial. This is where niche selection comes in. A niche is a specific category of products. Think pet supplies, yoga gear, or phone accessories. Focusing on a specific niche helps you target the right customers. It also makes marketing easier. But how do you find a profitable niche? Think about your interests and hobbies. What are people passionate about buying? Research popular trends online. Look for niches with high demand and low competition. Choosing the right niche sets the foundation for your dropshipping success. Your supplier is your business partner in dropshipping. They're responsible for product quality, packaging, and shipping. Finding reliable suppliers is essential for your business's success. Start by researching online directories like AliExpress and Salehu. Look for suppliers with positive reviews and good communication. Contact them directly and ask about their dropshipping policies. Don't be afraid to order samples to check product quality. Compare prices and shipping options from different suppliers. A trustworthy supplier is crucial for smooth operations and happy customers. Building your online empire, setting up shop. It's time to create your online store. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to build a professional-looking website. You don't need any coding skills. Choose a platform that fits your budget and needs. Select a theme that reflects your brand and niche. Add your products, descriptions, and high-quality images. Set up secure payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe. Your online store is your virtual storefront. Make it visually appealing, easy to navigate, and mobile-friendly. A well-designed store builds trust and encourages customers to buy. Spreading the word, marketing your dropshipping store. Building a great store is only half the battle. You need to attract customers. That's where marketing comes in. There are many ways to get your store noticed online. Social media is your friend. Create engaging content on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Run targeted ads to reach your ideal customers. Collaborate with influencers in your niche. Explore other options like search engine optimization or SEO, and email marketing. The key is to be creative, consistent, and patient. Building a loyal customer base takes time and effort. Smooth operations, managing orders, and delighting customers. Congratulations, you're getting orders. Now it's time to ensure a smooth fulfillment process. When a customer places an order, forward it to your supplier with the correct shipping information. Keep your customers informed every step of the way. Send order confirmation emails and tracking updates. Provide excellent customer service by responding to inquiries promptly and resolving any issues efficiently. Happy customers are more likely to become repeat buyers. Prioritize customer satisfaction to build a strong reputation for your dropshipping business. Section 8, the money trail: understanding dropshipping profits. You're selling products, fulfilling orders, and making your customers happy. But how do you ensure that your business is not just surviving, but thriving? The key lies in understanding your financials. But how much money are you actually making? This is a question every dropshipper must answer to gauge their business's health. Understanding your profit margins is essential for running a successful dropshipping business. Profit margins tell you how much money you keep after covering all your costs. Your profit is the difference between your selling price and your supplier's price, minus any expenses like marketing and platform fees. These expenses can add up quickly, so it's crucial to keep a close eye on them. Set competitive prices while ensuring you're making a decent profit on each sale. Pricing too low might attract customers but can hurt your profits, while pricing too high might drive customers away. Track your income and expenses carefully. This means recording every sale, every expense, and regularly reviewing your financial statements to understand where your money is going. Use spreadsheets or accounting software to stay organized. These tools can help you keep track of your financial data, making it easier to analyze and make informed decisions. Understanding your financials helps you make informed decisions and grow your dropshipping business. By keeping a close eye on your profits and expenses, you can identify areas for improvement and opportunities for growth, ensuring long-term success. Section 9. Navigating the challenges: common dropshipping hurdles. Dropshipping isn't without its challenges. One common hurdle is finding reliable suppliers who consistently deliver quality products and timely shipping. Thorough research and communication are key to overcoming this. Competition can be fierce in the dropshipping world. Differentiate yourself by offering unique products, excellent customer service, and a strong brand identity. Stay ahead of the curve by adapting to market trends. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity for growth. Embrace the learning process, adapt your strategies, and never give up on your dropshipping tools at your disposal. Section 11. Ready, set, dropship, taking the plunge. Congratulations! You now have a solid understanding of how to start and run a successful dropshipping business. Remember, the key ingredients are passion, hard work, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Don't be afraid to take the first step. Start small, test different products and marketing strategies, and learn from your experiences. The world of dropshipping is full of opportunities for those who dare to dream big. So what are you waiting for? Take the plunge today and start building your own online empire with dropshipping.